This video that you're about to watch by the Disgruntled Mechanic is a little more cobbled together than mine normally are. I wanted to try and give this tool a fair representation. It's a little tough. I wasn't using it quite like it was probably intended to be used, which may have had something to do with it, but when I did go to use it as it was intended to be used, it still wasn't impressive. So keep all that together and keep that in mind. I still wanted to try to put this together and put it out because I think there's some cute stuff in here, or maybe amusing stuff to some. If not, hey, sorry, but this is what you're getting. Thanks for watching. Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. I was going to do this on another table full of tools with one of my new tools, but because I'm going to be using it today, I figured I'd show it to you here, take it out, put it on the table quick, and then we can use it right away to do the project I want to do. What we got here is the Milwaukee FUEL M12, and it is the, what do they actually call it here? Hold on. 3-inch compact cutoff tool, 2522-20. This is tool only, no charger or anything, but I have so much stuff already, so many chargers and batteries already. So what you get: cutoff tool, diamond tile blade, metal cutoff wheel, which we'll be using, carbide abrasive wheel, and a dust shoe. So let's put it out on the table here and we'll take a look at it. So we'll take her out of the box here. Instructions, warranties, the blades, the shield, and the tool. Let's get the battery in it and we'll give her a shot here. Just happen to have one charged. We're going to cut some of this stuff up, especially this black thing here. Throw that on, get rid of this pile of crap, dig through and see how many snakes we find. So that's what we're going to be cutting up. Not sure what's happening with that. Well, showing me that even though the battery shows 3 bars, the thing is dying and it's going down to 1 and blinking. So I don't know if that's some kind of problem. Let's get a heavier duty battery and put in it. We'll see what happens. I'm not happy with that at all. Okay, to be fair to the tool, now we'll see, we got 4 bars and it even sounds better. That was an old battery that, well, it's been around for a long time, so that really wasn't fair. So let's give her a rip with this newer battery in it, and actually a heavier duty 6.0 red lithium. Well, I bet that maybe that'll make her rip. So let's give her a shot here. Definitely made a difference. That was some pretty light duty stuff. Let's try some something a little heavier duty and see how she bores through it. A little bit heavier here. was a little bit heavier and didn't seem to, it's actually a double-walled steel in here, and it didn't seem to stop at all for that. So, not too sure. We'll keep using her and we'll let you know. So, I've used it to make a few more cuts. Why it stumbled there in the beginning, I don't know. It isn't now. It hasn't since I've been cutting with it. So, you know, to me the jury's still out. I'll see how it works. I still have time to send it back. But anyhow, that is the Fuel 3-inch cutoff tool, powered by the M12 battery. So, like I said, the jury's still out till I use it more. I can't say anything else. We'll see how it works. Works good when it works, but we'll have to see. So this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, hey, thanks for watching. Come back again. See ya. So, not sure what this Milwaukee would do, and I'm just not happy with where I left the video. So I'm restarting the video here because there's something I want to do, and we'll see how this works. So what I've decided is the old Buick needs a sunroof. Let's see how long she lasts and what she does. Stopped. 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 The blade, the battery's showing 2 dots yet out of 4. Seems when you put the load on her, she just doesn't want to take it. So as far as the 3-inch compact cutoff tool, this is my most disappointing Milwaukee buy so far. After the exercise there of cutting a new sunroof in the Buick. I mean, very light duty the way it seems, unless there's something wrong with this particular one, but I think it should cut a little longer than what it does with the stalling and stuff. And it does get warm, but I just think it should work better. Even with a brand new battery, you know, it was cutting out like that. So not happy with it. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do yet, if I'm going to send it back or not, because it would be okay for light jobs, but don't expect to do anything heavy duty with it. So once again, this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic saying, hey, thanks for stopping by. See you next time. Bye. Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. This is the shameless plug video. Winter's coming, and what I have available in my store on the shelf down below by Teespring, especially for the cold weather, is the Disgruntled Mechanic pull over, pocketed hoodie. If you would like to purchase one to help out old TDM, please feel free to. There's some other things down there. Coffee mug, sticker. The t-shirts I don't care for too much, but if you would like to help me out, I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching the Shameless Plug.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! Bolt, how could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten, how dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!